In this video, you'll learn how to sound like Kermit the Frog using ElevenLabs. This guide will help you navigate the features of the platform to achieve that iconic voice. By the end, you'll be able to create a voice that captures Kermit's unique charm and personality. Begin by opening the ElevenLabs text-to-speech platform. If you are using the latest version, ensure that you select either the ElevenLabs V3 or multilingual V3 model for optimal results. Once you're on the main screen, look for the voice selection options. Next, choose any male voice, but it is recommended to opt for a lighter or softer one to better mimic Kermit's tone. After selecting the voice, you will see a text input box where you can type your script. This is where you will enter the text that needs to be spoken. Type the following text into the input box: soft, high-pitched, gentle, puppet-like voice, slightly nasal, friendly and calm. Hi-ho them, Shuckle software. It's not easy being green, you know, but I think it's going to be okay. After entering this text, proceed to click the play button to listen to the generated voice. If the voice does not sound Kermit enough for your liking, you can adjust the parameters by using stronger cues. Try typing very high-pitched, gentle puppet voice, nasal, sweet, slightly nervous. Well, it's not easy being green, but I guess that's what makes it special. After making adjustments, click play again to hear the new rendition to enhance their Kermit effect. Keep the tone gentle, soft, slightly nervous, and warm. Incorporate fillers like "and" along with soft chuckles and pauses to create a more authentic sound. Avoid shouting, fast speech, and aggressive emotions as Kermit embodies a calm and awkward demeanor rather than energetic enthusiasm. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next there.